Okay, hello once again. Today I just want us to design a 3D logo using the shapes in Pixel. Without wasting much of your time, let me just start. Let me just go here into the shapes. Yeah, we'll use a circle shape. Reduce the opacity to 0. Come to stroke width, give it just 1. Okay, then we just come to shape again. Yeah, I just want this kind of a shape. Allow the radius to 100% without opacity and give it a stroke width of 1. Yeah, after that, then I just want to copy it, rotate it, then place it on the other way. Yeah, that's what I need. Then I'll come to merge these two things. After merging them, come to eraser. To come to eraser, we just want to remove some part. Yeah, I will want to start with this one here. This is the first thing I want to erase. Just erase that one, and I will do like this for all this one. After removing the parts, click OK. Yeah, this is what I need. Yeah, this is what I need now. After this one, now I want us to fill some blank there, but I just use this square, white square, then come to mask. I want to create a given shape. Yeah, enable it so that you can see what you want to create. I will just create it for this one bar here. Okay, then click OK. Okay, I just require again to merge with it so that we can remove the other part. Yeah, just use the mask tool again. Yeah, press OK. Yeah, this is what I need now. I will just give it a color in gradient form. The upper color I will use a dark brown color, very dark brown color. I think it's okay. Then the second one, I will use a yellow orangish color. I think I'll use a very pink yellow color. Yeah, this color I want to use. Press OK. Since you cannot notice the change, let's just give it another color background. So I will use this blue color. Yeah, you can now see what I'm trying to figure out. Come to color again just to bring out what we want. Yeah, this is what I want now. After just getting it, take it to the back and copy it. Copy it. Just place it slowly to fit this place. Take it to the back and then just position it well to fit this area. Yeah, I think they are now okay. Let me just place this other one. Yeah, after placing them, now you can merge these ones together. Just merge them together, and what you are designing is ready now. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.